Good morning from Prague. So today is day 3?
4.
Day 4, and we're going on a, you guessed it, free walking tour again. This time of the new town. Our last day in Prague was spent taking a tour of the new town, where you can find more contemporary art and architecture. Then it was time to take the 4-hour train ride to Vienna, Austria. I'm whispering here because we made the mistake of sitting in the silent car and got scolded by a very stern woman when we were chatting to each other. So we're at the Vienna train station. We just arrived, and the train station has a lot of shops in it. So we did a little bit of shopping. So we're just waiting on our Uber driver, and then we're gonna head to our Airbnb apartment and start exploring Vienna. All right, so we are here in, where are we, Kai?
Vienna, Austria.
Okay.
And we just got to the apartment. So we'll give you guys a little tour of the apartment, you know, see what's going on. And this is a kitchen. Has some Earl Grey here, you know. Some good stuff. Fridge. Very homey little apartment. 3 beds. If you get close enough here, you can see the material, the dresser. You can't ever see someone like this. See that?
Velvet.
Okay, so this is the other room. Living room. I think. Dining room. Nice little couch here.
Knowing what he knows of his kind and gentle son, he thinks that Chichon will feel guilty and apologize.
Could you pass the bubbly?
This was drawn
Certainly.
the image of the former High Navy SEAL who lost his life.
All right, buddies. And of course, Keenan wants the Wi-Fi. Okay, we're gonna get you the Wi-Fi soon, okay, buddy? All right, thanks for the tour, Kai.
You guys have a great day.
So today's gonna be our first full day in beautiful Vienna. So I'm just trying to get everybody up because everyone's kind of tired after the 4-hour train ride from Prague. But yeah, we're gonna get ready to explore Vienna. Let's go wake up Keenan.
Alrighty.
What the heck, Malachi?
I'm just looking more.
Sorry, Malachi.
Good morning, Keenan.
Good morning.
So we're in the private garden of one of the used to be an emperor, I think he said. It's just beautiful, and now it's just a public garden. There's this huge greenhouse. Let me turn it around here. Huge greenhouse here.
Everyone can take a look at it.
Yes, now everybody can enjoy these beautiful gardens.
And look at all those peaceful chairs and tables.
Thanks, Keenan. We passed beautiful buildings that were actually riddled with bullet holes during World War II. The Mozart Monument in Mute Garden, and... Where are we, Keenan?
In the Welt Museum.
The Welt Museum is housed in the Habsburg Palace and is the largest anthropological museum in all of Austria. So this used to be the royal residence of the Habsburgs. It is just gorgeous. And the famous Sisi used to live here, a very extravagant queen. Apparently, by the time she turned 30, she thought she was too old, and so she didn't want any portraits painted of her after 30. She was murdered, and so she's like the Lady Di of Austria. Patrick just totally separated from the group. Oh my gosh, we're freaking out for about 10 minutes. I don't know how he found us, but our rule is never separate. I did it for the gram. Okay, so just so you know, the address is in your phone on WhatsApp, the address for the apartment, just in case you decide to do that again. Oh, good to meet you guys. I was really freaking out. Malachi went to go look for him. while Keenan and I stayed in one place, and then the walking tour people had already left. Anyways.
It's okay, we do this.
This is what we do?
We do, man. You get lost, you get found.
Okay.
Right?
Alright.
Ain't nothing.
Ain't nothing, eh? With our walking tour now over, it was time to get some lunch in an area called Stephensplatz. So we're here at the town square, actually the pedestrian boulevard, and we're at Chattanooga restaurant, and they said it's a traditional Viennese grabbing. I'm not sure what grabbing is. I'm going to assume that it's a restaurant. So we're just going to get some lunch. And what are you going to order, Pete?
I think I'm going to order the veal schnitzel.
The veal one is 19 euros and the pork is 12 euros. So anyways, okay, Malka is going to get the savapchi. No idea what kind of meat it is. How's the food, guys? So we just finished lunch and it was fantastic. I don't even know how to pronounce the name, but it was pork, like pork kind of fillet, 2 flat pieces of pork. Oh, it was so good. So now we're gonna go to the hop on hop off bus at the opera stop, and we'll see where that takes us.
Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Did you know Vienna has been voted the most livable city in the world 9 times?
Awesome. So we're at the museums quarter, and there's a number of museums, Museum of Natural History, Museum of Modern Art, and the museums quarter is gorgeous. It's huge. And then right across the street is the Habsburg Palace. No, thank you. No thanks. We know those tricks. The museums quarter is located in the former imperial stables and is known as Vienna's urban living room. The Baroque style buildings are surrounded by a public piazza and is a pleasant way to spend a relaxing afternoon just taking a stroll along its pathways. So we're going to go to the Museum of Fine Arts, and from what I've read, it is one of the most important European museum buildings erected during the 19th century. Museum of Fine Arts. The Museum of Fine Arts is one of the top museums in Vienna. The museum has a vast collection of Greek, Roman, and Egyptian art, as well as very famous works of art from some European artists. Only Keenan can be at the Museum of Fine Arts watching SpongeBob while leaning on the tomb of a mummy. Oh, you're so ridiculous. Like, look at what they've done to the marble. And he's trampling on someone. Look at his cape flying in the air, and it's marbles. Keenan is so excited to take a picture in front of Mozart's statue. There he is. Are you excited, Keenan?
Yes!
Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is the Smith family saying happy travels.